The US dollar fell against a basket of major currencies on Friday as investors switched to safer assets options amid the coronavirus outbreak. The virus spread from China to dozens of countries, remaining the reason of investors' major concern. Reports of more coronavirus cases in the United States undermined the perceived strength of the US economy and supported major currencies against the dollar. The US dollar index fell by 0.39% on Friday to end at 98.13. For the week, the index lost 1.7%. Meanwhile, the Fed signaled on Friday it might be willing to support the US economy if necessary. Fed Chairman Jerome Powell said the central bank is monitoring the coronavirus for risks it poses. The fundamentals of the US economy remain strong, Powell said in a statement. Traders are increasingly pricing in Fed rate cuts in the coming months. The market is assigning a 100% chance of at least one rate cut at the Fed's March policy meeting. The fact that traders raised their bet of an interest rate cut by the Fed supported the euro. The common currency gained 0.2% on Friday to close at 1.1026 against the dollar. For the week, it posted a 2.2% rise. Meanwhile, the pound-dollar pair has been under pressure too, as currency markets are largely reacting to the growing fears that coronavirus could be the verge of becoming a global pandemic. The British pound declined by 0.5% on Friday to end at 1.2821. From previous Friday's close, sterling posted a 0.4% fall. In the crypto market, Bitcoin saw a blood-red week, falling from $10,000 to a low of $8,480 within a few days. Bitcoin price fell by 1.11% on Friday to finish at $8,728. For the week, the world #1 cryptocurrency lost 9.2%. The bearish end to the month left Bitcoin down by 8.6% for the month of February. According to analysts, further price drops may be expected. Interestingly, Berkshire Hathaway CEO Warren Buffett said that he will never own cryptocurrency, adding that digital assets, Bitcoin included, have no inherent value. While Buffett's words hold weight in public circles, not everyone in the crypto space is convinced that what he has to say about Bitcoin is relevant. Some experts explain that it's about taking technology advice from somebody who uses a flip phone or doesn't use email. Meanwhile, in commodities, Brent fell to $52 per barrel on Thursday, its lowest level since December 2018. On Friday, it ended at $50.52 with a 14.8% drop on a weekly basis. Saudi Arabia is pushing OPEC to increase its production cut to 1 million barrels per day. Just a few weeks ago, OPEC recommended additional cuts of just 600,000 barrels per day. Riyadh's proposal would entail Saudi Arabia taking on the bulk of the new cuts. To date, Russia has been reluctant to sign on, but the sharp drop in prices increases pressure on the group. In the meantime, the WTI crude oil settled at $44.76 per barrel on Friday. For the week, it lost 16.7%. Gold plunged by over 4.5% on Friday, with the precious metals closing at $1,566.70. For the week, it lost 3.3%. According to gold market observers, the negative correlation between the US dollar and the yellow metal has materialized again since the dollar's safe haven appeal has faded, and the weaker dollar suggests gold will go up. You've watched the combined review of currency and commodity markets on InstaTV. See you back soon.